Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Some people asked Appa recently that can she use my chicken powder to make chicken rice? Actually, we can, and it is very simple. Let me just very quickly show you how to do it. My 5-year-old daughter loves to eat chicken rice. So we are going to make chicken rice without using any chicken today. And I assure you, it is also very fragrant. Okay, so I have approximately 2.5 cups of jasmine rice here. Now, the water ratio to rice ratio, rice to water ratio is usually about 1 to 1.1. Okay, so if you have 1 cup of rice, and usually we are referring to the rice measuring cup, 1 cup of rice, you need to add in 1.1 cup of water. I repeat, 1 to 1.1. Okay, this is how I normally cook. And then of course you need my Cooking Appa 100% natural chicken stock powder. You can get it from Shopee. You either search for chicken stock, or you can actually, I will put the link in the video description. Okay, and here we have I tie a knot here. This is the pandan leaf, about 2 to 3 pieces. I have some minced, approximately 1 teaspoon of minced shallot, minced ginger, and minced garlic. Ginger and garlic. Yeah, this is garlic, this is ginger. Sorry. So first of all, you definitely want to wash your rice. Put in some water and stir on one direction here. And you can see immediately the rice becoming milky color. The water here becoming milky color. Then you can actually pour away the water. And add in more water. Repeat this a couple of rounds until you see the water becomes clear. So after you wash the rice, we are going to saute the ginger, garlic, and also shallot. To enhance the flavor, I'm going to add some garlic oil. Okay, this is garlic oil with some vegetable oil. Now, of course, outside the chicken rice, they will actually use chicken fat, and I can actually inform you all that Appa's chicken powder has chicken fat inside. I actually added chicken fat inside to make it more fragrant. This is why it's actually a perfect source of you making perfect way of making chicken rice using Appa's chicken powder. Yeah, everything inside is 100% natural. 0 MSG, no added preservatives. You want to use it to make anything for your children, you can use it comfortably. Now I'm going to tune down the fire to medium low, because this is the time where I'm going to add in the rice to stir fry. This is just to mix everything nicely together. You don't really need to fry it, yeah? And I always forget to use a colander to drain off the excessive water. This is the pandan leaves. Oh, let me adjust the... It was too bright just now because of the rice. And I'm going to put in approximately 1 teaspoon of my chicken powder. Okay. And a little bit of fine salt. Don't put too much because Appa's chicken powder also has a little bit of salt inside. I can smell the chicken flavor already. I wish you can smell this. Alright, so the next thing is we are going to move this over to a rice cooker. Alright, I've moved the rice over to the inner pot of a rice cooker, and this is some water ratio which is 1 to 1 to 1, remember? This is good for four people, yeah, 4 adults. Of course, if you prefer it stronger chicken flavor, you can add even more chicken powder. This is optional. Alright. If not, 1 teaspoon is good enough. Okay, get ready your rice cooker. Close it. Let me choose the rice type. Mine is a white rice, and the texture I prefer soft. Start. If I don't cook as much, if I just want to cook one rice bowl, one rice cup, then I will just steam it using my stove, which will take only about 15 minutes. That is very fast. So if you want to cook for your children, your kids, like half a rice cup or one rice cup, you can just use your stove to steam it, and your rice will be ready in 15 minutes. Very, very fast. Okay, the rice is ready. Let us open. Very, very fragrant. Let me adjust the angle for you a bit. We can actually take out the pandan leaves and give it a few stir. Wow, I can feel it's very, very fluffy, and wow, very fragrant chicken flavor. Okay, carefully take it out. Wow, very fragrant. I actually have some char siu from this afternoon. I'm going to put some char siu at the side. Okay, some people would like to actually put some dark soya sauce. Yeah, dark soya sauce on top of the chicken rice. Up to you. Okay, I'm not going to put it because I want to save this for my daughter. Alright, so I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, now if you want to know more about my cooking appa chicken stock powder, you can actually click on the link inside the video description and find out more. And appa is actually using it every day, almost every day on almost all my dishes today. I mean, recently, actually for the past 10 months, we have been doing research on coming out with a nice recipe for you all on this chicken stock. So I hope you really like my video. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook channel to click and like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. And do give it a try on my chicken powder. Thank you very much. Bye bye.